Well, took a while, but we finally cleaned up the mess we've made.
Yeah, but there's one thing we haven't considered. Why haven't we had a challenge yet?
DS must be hiding something.
Yeah, maybe it's a challenge. Maybe this could be our first actual immunity win. We just need to pull it off, forget our differences now, settle our differences later, and win this challenge together. Good idea, Flying Dry Bones. You hold the truth of this game. We must put our heads together, work together, and win this challenge. How do you know what the challenge is? I don't. But that's all I know. You know, there's one thing we haven't considered. DS forgot to send somebody to Ghost Island. Oops.
Meanwhile,
Don't understand. Why haven't we had a challenge yet? Usually at the beginning of the video there would be a challenge. I know. What's DS up to? You can never tell with DS. I figured that out by watching Season 2. Do you have to know everything? Hey! Calm down, calm down. It's close to Tribal Council. I have no idea what DS is planning, but I think we should bring this thing just in case. Good idea. Well, contestants, welcome to Tribal Council. As you can see, we have all 3 tribes at Tribal Council this time. And that I will answer right now of why all 3 tribes are here. First, Amiibo tribe and Plushie tribes. I gotta take back immunity. Thank you, and thank you.
Are you serious? We're all up for grabs?
I will answer right now, Flying Dry Bones. Once again, immunity is back up for grabs. That's right. We're having the immunity challenge right here, right now, at Tribal Council. This hasn't been the first time this has been accomplished. It has been accomplished last season, as you all remember. Well, some of you at least. So, if you win immunity, your tribe will have to leave the Tribal Council area immediately and return back to camp for an average night. So, yeah. And if you lose, you'll have to stay here and potentially get eliminated. So, yeah, that's just how this will work. So, yeah. Anyways, now it is time to explain what the challenge is. The challenge will be based off of the challenge. Well, this challenge will require this challenge here will require some smarts, a bit of it at least. So here's how this challenge will work. This challenge will pretty much be a poker-based challenge. I will deal out these cards, 5 of them, to all 3 tribes, and then you must decide which cards to discard and replace for some new ones. The tribe with the best results will earn a point. The first 2 tribes to 3 points win immunity, guaranteed safety in this game, and will have to leave Tribal Council and go back to their camps, and won't have to come here until possibly day 12. Losers have to stay at Tribal Council, where the 3rd contestant will be voted out of this game. We're not playing for reward, just standard. Well, the reward is technically you get to leave tribal council for now, but it's whatever. Well, I'll give you guys a minute to strategize, and then we'll get started. Alrighty, the cards have been drawn, and the challenge is officially on. We must figure this out on our cramped space. Yes, is it okay if we move to the floor because this space is really cramped? Sure. We'll pretty much return all of these. We'll only return these 3. We'll return just the 1. Alright, everybody has new cards. Now let's reveal what they are. Amiibo Tribe practically has junk. Yeah, you forgot this was poker. The Plushy Tribe what were you planning to use the wild for? We were gonna use it for the draw too. Okay then, the Plushy Tribe has 1 pair. Now let's reveal the Connects Tribe. Oh, a full house! The Plushy Tribe gets a point. Yay! Okay, let's check our cards. Say we have pretty good cards. We'll junk these 3. Okay guys, let's check our cards. Wow! We actually did pretty good. But I think we can do better. We should just dump one of this. And possibly this, just in case. Come on, we could have had a full house. Okay guys, let's check our cards. Yeah, we'll just return these 3. Okay, everybody's got replacement cards. Now let's see what everybody got. The Amiibo Tribe has 1 pair. The Plushy Tribe has... What's the wild for? The 6s. The Plushy Tribe has 3 of a kind. And the Connects Tribe has... has 3 of a kind as well. But reverses are more better than 6s, so the Connects Tribe gets another point. Yay! We are the best at poker! What? Oh yeah, they're Uno cards. Forgot those reverse cards existed. Okay, everybody has been drawn new cards for the 3rd round. Okay guys, let's check our cards. If color counted, I say we would have a royal flush. Yeah, but it doesn't. Let's just dump these. It only counts on the number. Okay guys, let's check our cards. Wow, they're all junk. Okay guys, let's check our cards.
What do we use with wild on? Feeling pretty lucky on the skip, so let's use that. Let's dump the other 3.
Alright, let's see what everybody has. The Amiibo Tribe has 1 pair. Plushy Tribe has 2 pairs. And the Connects tribe has... What are you using the wild on? The skip. But it seems like nothing has changed. The Connects tribe has 1 pair. So it's basically the Plushie tribe gets a point. Finally! Alright, time for round 4. The Amiibo tribe is trailing behind by 1 point. Let's see if they can pull a comeback or something. Okay, let's see. We should keep the 7s. Good smashing idea. Stop saying smash, please. Okay, let's check our cards. Keep the 9s. Let's check our cards. Wow, they're practically junk. Dump them all. Alrighty, let's check everybody's cards. The Amiibo tribe has... Wow, 2 pairs. The Plushie tribe has... What are you planning to use the wild on? The 9s. Then that means the Plushie tribe has 3 of a kind. The Connects tribe has... basically just junk.
Again!
The Plushie tribe gets another point, which means it's tied 2-2. Alright, it's time for round 5. Okay guys, let's see what we should do. Just dump them all. Yeah, we're failing at this strategy game so bad. Okay, let's check our cards. Keep the draw 2s. Okay, let's check our cards. I say we keep the skip and the wild. Okay, time for... Let's see which card... Let's see what they got. The Amiibo tribe has... just junk again. The Plushie tribe has... 2 pairs. And the Connects tribe has... What are you using the wild on?
The skips!
The Connects tribe has 3 of a kind, and that means the Connects tribe wins first place immunity for the very first time. Oh, we finally won immunity!
Yes! Can we please go now?
Yes, but before you do, immunity goes to you for first place.
Yes! We finally did it!
So you 4 do not have to be at Tribal Council now. So you can all go back to your camp and just chill out and relax and whatever.
Yes, finally! It's our first not Tribal Council day!
Yeah, let's party! And now we're just down to the Amiibo tribe and the Plushie tribe. Who will win the second place immunity? And who will have to stay here at Tribal Council? The Plushie tribe is just 1 point away from not going to Tribal Council for the 3rd time in a row. Time for the next round. Okay, let's check our smashing cards. Are you serious? Junk again? Hoo-hoo. Dump them all. Okay guys, if we win this, we'll be able to not be at Tribal Council. Chances might be good. Don't dump the 9s. Alrighty, time to reveal everybody's cards. The Amiibo tribe. What are you using the wild on? The reverses. 3 of a kind. The Plushie tribe. Two pairs. The Amiibo tribe gets their first point.
Yes, we're doing it!
Okay, now it's time for the next round. I can't say they're junk. Again.
Let's hope we can pull off some luck.
Let's see what we've got. Seriously, junk? Alrighty, after turning all their cards, let's see what they got. The Amiibo tribe. 2 pairs. The Plushie tribe. Just 1 pair.
The Amiibo tribe gets a point, and they made an amazing comeback. Yes, we're so close.
Alrighty, time for the final round. Let's go ahead. Okay. If we can do this, we win. Keep the 9s. We got to do this. We can't let them win. Oh, opportunities are high. Very high. Keep these. And just dump these. Okay, the battery on my phone is dying, so let's just reveal the cards in blindly. The Plushie tribe. What are you using the wild on? The Skimps. 3 of a kind. That'll be tough to beat. The Plushie, the Amiibo tribe.
Wow, 4 of a kind.
Game over. The Connect tribe and Amiibo tribes win immunity.
Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! We won! We are Superstar Warriors!
Yes, we finally made it. An amazing comeback we just pulled off.
Yes!
Congratulations, Amiibo tribe, for that amazing comeback. You may not have been first place, but at least you didn't get last place. Immunity goes to you.
Oh yes, we finally did it. We made it out.
Now let's get out of here. And that means the one tribe that's in Tribal Council right now is the Plushie tribe. So, let's do this. Welcome, Plushie tribe, to your first Tribal Council. Unbelievable. You actually lost your first immunity challenge. You were doing fine, but then the luck of the Amiibos failed you harshly. How does that feel to you? Well, I gotta say, it was pretty harsh, but I guess you can't always win everything, right? Yeah, I guess so. Speaking of which, Bulbasaur Jr., there have been controversies that you might be on the chopping block. Can you please tell me why you think so? Put it simply, everybody thinks that I'm a bootleg of another character on this channel. Cutman, do you think this could be true? Well, I mean, it could be true. I mean, his voice, his looks, sorta, kinda resemble somebody on this channel that's very popular. And I know who he is. We all do. Sonic, you being the biggest plushie, do you think that might make you a potential target or not? Well, I mean, I could be. I mean, I could be targeted, but I could not be. And before I move on to my last question of this Tribal Council, Bulbasaur Jr., what did you think of Ghost Island, and did you find anything there? Well, I came up empty-handed, and I didn't get any screen time of me getting back from Ghost Island, so that kinda stinks. Okay, and finally, Susie and Francisca. This is for both of you. Can you describe your rivalry and what's going on? Since in the reward challenge, we didn't see Susie tapping Francisca for like a long time, which is what made you lose the challenge. Can you tell us what happened?
Basically, our whole rivalry is that she replaced me in Kirby Star Allies. And I think I can blame her because I think she might have got the idea to Hal to recreate Kirby's Epic Yarn on the 3DS. Hey, the game needed a remake! Seriously?
Alright, with that EX Kirby cannon out of the way, it is time to vote. But before I begin, if anybody has a hidden old advantage that can be played at this specific moment, and you want to play it, now's the time to do so.
Me?
Alright, no advantage. Of course, when I call your name, you're going to go to the platform on to my right, and on the piece of paper, you're going to write down who you want to eliminate from this game. And once everybody has voted, the votes will be tallied. Blah, blah, blah. You pretty much know everything. Yellow Toad, start us off.
The reason why I'm putting BJ Bootleg on here is because I don't know how to spell Bulbasaur Jr. If anyone else goes home, things would really, really suck.
I will now go tally the votes. I have the votes right here. Once they're read and the decision is final, the contestant with the most votes has to leave the tribal council area immediately. I will now read the votes. The first vote. I'm pretty sure this Mr. Bootleg guy is Bulbasaur Jr. Second vote. Francisca. One vote Bulbasaur Jr., one vote Francisca. Susie. We are tied. One vote Bulbasaur Jr., one vote Francisca, one vote Susie. Susie. That is 2 votes Susie. 2 votes left. Bulbasaur Jr. We are tied. 2 votes Susie, 2 votes Bulbasaur Jr., 1 vote Francisca. 1 vote left. Final vote. Third contestant voted out of Amiibo Survivor, Amiibos versus Plushies versus Kinects. Bulbasaur Jr.
You have got to be kidding me!
Bulbasaur Jr., I'm afraid I need you to come up here with me. Bulbasaur Jr., the tribe has spoken. Time for you to go.
I can't believe you would do this!
Wow. Your first tribal council out of your belt. I can see that some of you came to a mutual agreement, but some of you are still against each other. And I think I know who those 2 are. How long will it take for you guys to get back into the game? Only time will tell. So good night, and until the next challenge.
I guess that's it for Bulbasaur Jr. I did try hard. I did my best. I gave my 110%. I worked the overtime. I was the team player. I got my hands dirty. I put in the hours. But every time, everybody called me a bootleg. Because everybody thought I was a ripoff of somebody. And that really stinks. So, I guess it's whatever now. But I sure hope that I can get to play this game again someday. And yeah, because it feels great to put myself out there. I just sure hope I'm not declared a bootleg again.